Hi everyone, Harley here again, bringing you another tutorial of the Radix endeavor. Today we will be talking about the quest line to market. Now, this quest line focuses on unit conversions and realizing that the items you have in possession have monetary value, and that value can increase or decrease as you make conversions into different, and not necessarily more, items. From there, we hope this quest will spark discussions of strategies for making the most advantageous trades. So the entire quest line takes place in Sedge's Edge, and you are begin the quest by talking with Sunny. The first quest is meant to familiarize yourself with the marketplace and the trading mechanic. So click on the one merchant you can talk to and trade in a way to maximize your profits. Then approach Enola in the leftmost stall and sell all of your goods. This will be the format for almost every quest. You start your quest by talking with someone. He or she will give you your trading kit, which includes your starting goods and trading tickets, and enables the trading windows to appear when you talk with the merchants. And finally, you'll talk with Enola, convert all those goods into money. At that point, you can return the kit back to the owner to complete the quest. The next quest begins by talking with Tawny over on the right side of the map. You'll work with 3 merchants this time, each with their own items and barter rates. Now, your items and rates might be a bit different from mine, so let me just give you a few general tips. Just remember you can trade with the same merchant more than once for different items, and you'll probably have to do some trading with each of the 3 merchants. Now, you probably won't get this on the first try, so we made a restart button for you. All you have to do is click on a merchant, then look to the top right of the screen. And maybe this is a good place to give those field notes a try. Write down all the rates so they are all in one place. The third quest begins with Urzu on the right side of the map. This quest will require you to maximize profits while having very limited trading tickets, so really look and plan before trading. The final quest begins with Jed at the bottom of the map. He'll ask for 10 blood wings, so you'll need to switch gears a bit and stop thinking of the item's monetary value and purely quantity of the items. When you've done that, just talk to him again to finish the quest line. Hope you found this tutorial useful.